Hi everyone, good to see you all again. Guess what day it is today? It's the 24th of April. Ronovationz has been around for 10 years. When I started this business 10 years ago about property coaching, I had an ambition, and that was to create 1,000 multi-millionaires. Something to congratulate now, I'm 3/4 of the way there with over 700 odd students who are now looking very comfortable. The thing about creating multi-millionaires, they've all done it through properties, and that's the easiest way. Everybody, and Mr. and Mrs. Average, if you want to make money and to be sure of doing it, is to get your mindset on properties. This is what I did in 2003, restarted property investing, and virtually with 180,000 revolving credit, I bought something like about 21 properties that first year, and I now have a portfolio of over 30 properties. Technically paid only 7 million for them in their times, but today their potential value is around 25 million. That's an easy $18 million profit, and having done that, what we would call from 2003 to now, that's about 15, 16 years, that's $1 million a year just through property investing, and that is now growing at a much faster rate as time moves on. So come on board with Ronovation, I'll show you all the secrets. Our 10-year anniversary, I've got something like 700 students, that's about 400 odd couples and individuals who have now got something like 2,000 properties amongst them, or multiply that by an average of about 650 per property. You'll be looking at a nice portfolio of about $1.3 billion worth of properties, all in central suburbs of Auckland. Just imagine what that's going to be worth in 10 years. So come on board, you guys, come and join the property investing move.